All right, I want to start by giving all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahushai, Bahashim, Rekakadash. Double honors to the elders and the apostles of Great Millstone. Salutations to the elect out there wherever you may be. All right, I want to do a quick lesson through the Spirit, going into the folly that's in the world today. All right, I'm going to speak a few scriptures and play a video. All right, let's start with in Proverbs 13 and 16. Every prudent man dealeth with knowledge, which goes into what? The wise, the men that seek wisdom. You see? But a fool layeth open his folly. Like you're going to see in this video I'm going to play. All right, let's get another scripture. Proverbs 14 and 8. The wisdom of the prudent is to understand his way. You see? Because they seek after what? Knowledge. The knowledge of what? The truth. But the folly of fools is deceit. You see? And you're going to see a lot of deceit in this video. Which is, I think, a prank video I'm going to play. These two guys are going to be pranking people inside of a grocery store. All right, let's get some more scriptures. And then I'll play the video. Let's see. The crown of the wise, Proverbs 14 and 24. The crown of the wise is their riches. You see, which is what? This knowledge. The knowledge of the Holy Scriptures. The knowledge of truth. The words of truth. But the foolishness of fools is folly. You see? All right, let's get another scripture. All right, let's see. Proverbs 15 and 21. The folly is joy to him that is destitute of wisdom. You see? So they're going to lack true wisdom. But a man of understanding walketh uprightly. You see? Which goes into what? A man that seeketh truth. The wisdom, the true wisdom given by the Most High. And not the wisdom of the world, which can't be compared to the wisdom which is the true riches of the Most High. All right, let's play this video. All right, let's see. I'm going to start it. Let's see. I'm going to zoom out. All right. Here. Now these guys, they're pranksters, but the point of this video is to show the folly in what they're doing. You see? Let me get another. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna play the video, then I'm gonna get another scripture. Let's see.
I need a face mask, but I'm gonna be laughing. Yeah. Who's a worker? 100%. It's alright. You ain't worried about it. Let's just go this way. Come on. Actually, it's the president. Excuse me, sir. Oh. What the fuck? Damn. What the fuck, man? That was an accident. Shit. Oh. Fucking turn, man. What the fuck were you doing? Is that some bullshit? Oh. What's your problem? You just shoved your fucking thing in my face. You think that shit? Oh. I'm sorry. What is your fucking deal? Yo, that wasn't nice. What is your deal? That wasn't nice, buddy. I'm sorry.
Why did you
I was trying to get by and do something. You're in the way, asshole.
Please. You shoved your face in my face and stuff.
You shoved your fist in my stomach.
Motherfucker.
Brother, give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Way of getting fun.
Give me a hug, bro.
Fuck off.
We gotta go. Let's go. He chased me. Oh, shit. Yeah, this was going up today. Excuse me, sir. We gotta go. We gotta go. Excuse me, sir. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Really? Dude?
I'm sorry. I said, excuse me, I'm trying to get some butter.
You see, there's another scripture that says folly is set at great dignity. Let's find that one. Folly. Because in today's world, in the earth now, it's a bunch of folly going on. And like it says in Job 9:24, the earth is given into the hands of the wicked, you see? Which means there's a lot of wicked going on. All right, let's see. Folly. You see that Ecclesiastes, this is Solomon speaking. Let's go back up. A little foolishness. All right, this is Ecclesiastes 10:6. Folly is set at great dignity, you see, and the rich sit at low place, you see, which us Israelites, we were rich, but the Most High took our, because of our wickedness and our doings, going into the ways of these other nations, our riches were taken away by the enemy, you see. And now you see what? Folly is set at great dignity. You see? A bunch of folly is in the earth now.
Excuse me, sir. Oh, I'm sorry.
Fuck. What are you doing, dog?
No, I said this.
This prank is really stupid. Even anyway, all pranks are stupid. I mean, by the way, all pranks are stupid, but this prank is really stupid. This guy's putting an ice cream on people's face. See, it's a bunch of folly. Folly is set at great dignity now. It's entertainment for these fools.
Excuse me,
Excuse me. Well,
excuse me. You all right? Let me get it.
Put on you.
No, sir. No, I don't want to do
Excuse me, man. Yeah.
Mind your business, asshole.
Oh, come on. Don't talk like that in front of people. There's kids in here.
Let me lick it off.
Get the fuck out of here. Huh? How about a stick you, huh?
Here, let me help you with this, brother.
No, man, I got it. Just go away.
Excuse me, did I leave my wallet here? Oh. Did I leave my phone on the desk? Did you get my phone, brother?
I didn't see it.
Let me check your pockets, please.
Get the fuck away from me.
Excuse me, sir. What's going on? That was an accident. What are you doing? That was just so rude of you.
Like you were?
It was an accident, you piece of shit. Jesus, asshole. Fuck you, moron. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Excuse me, miss.
What the fuck? Don't do that shit, motherfucker.
Why you got
I know you.
You don't know me well enough to be throwing stuff at me.
I know you well enough to be doing that what the fuck I want you. Don't ever want no shit on you, stupid bitch.
Are you serious right now?
Dead fucking serious.
Throw something else at me. Oh! That could hurt somebody. I'm getting away. I'm sorry, give me a hug.
No, fuck you.
Ooh.
They got good old Red Dog up in here, man. Real talk. Yes?
All right, I'm gonna stop the video right there. It's a bunch of folly and foolishness in the earth now. All right, I'm gonna end the lesson here. All praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahweh Shah, Bahashim, Rakakadash. Double honors to the elders and the apostles of Great Millstone. Salutations to the elect. And Lord willing, he's gonna get rid of all this foolishness and folly in the earth and restore it back to righteousness. Full and true righteousness back in the earth. All right, shalom.